Hi everyone, this is Ted John. Today I want to talk about food waste and its connection to climate change. So food waste is a major contributor to climate change, actually accounting for 8% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Now let's explore the importance of reducing food waste and its impact on our environment. So to start with, I want to talk about the definition and importance of food waste. So, what is food waste? Food waste refers to the disposal of edible foods that goes uneaten or wasted at various stages of the food supply chain. So why is it important? Because food waste not only wastes resources, but it also contributes to hunger, deforestation, water pollution, and increased greenhouse gas emissions, further harming the whole global climate. So what's the connection between food waste and climate change? Food waste contributes to climate change through methane emissions from organic waste decomposition in landfills. And methane is a potent greenhouse gas. It is actually 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide in terms of its global warming potential. So what's the impact of food waste on the environment? First, let's talk about land use. Food waste results in the inefficient use of land resources, contributing to deforestation and habitat destruction. Secondly, water footprint. Producing food waste also wastes the water used to grow, harvest, process, and transport, putting a strain on our limited water resources. Third, energy consumption. Food waste requires significant energy inputs throughout the entire food supply chain, so wasting food leads to increased greenhouse gas emissions. And finally, biodiversity loss. The loss of habitats due to food waste negatively impacts biodiversity and disrupts the whole ecosystem. As a high school student, I really want to reduce food waste in the local school community. First, it can create educational opportunity. So teaching students about the importance of reducing food waste will foster environmental awareness and responsible consumption. Secondly, social responsibility. Reducing food waste in schools also sets an example for the community and encourages sustainable practices. Third, resource conservation. So by minimizing food waste, the school can save money, reduce their ecological footprint, and support the local food system. So now we have the idea. What's a possible way to reduce food waste at school? First, we can conduct regular audits to identify areas of food waste and develop strategies for improvement. Secondly, we can create balanced menus, adjust portion sizes, and offer options for students to select the quantities they can consume. And thirdly, we can implement on-site composting systems or partner with local farmers to divert food system from landfills and enrich the soil. And finally, we can establish partnership with local food banks or charities to redistribute surplus food into those who are in need. So after reducing the food waste, we can have several benefits. For example, for the environmental impact, reducing the food waste will help us conserve resources and reduce greenhouse gas emissions and protect biodiversity. Secondly, it can also help us save money. So by wasting less food, the schools can save money on purchasing, waste disposal costs, and energy expenses. And thirdly, we definitely will have healthier students because offering balanced meals and reducing food waste promotes healthier eating habits and overall well-being. So in conclusion, as individuals and as a community, we must take responsibility for our food waste. By reducing food waste in our schools, we can make a significant impact on the environment, save resources, and teach future generations about the sustainable practices. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this video helps you to understand about the basic concepts of food waste and this relationship to climate change and how can we reduce food waste in our local school community.